Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here. Today I'm going to be preparing for you Pesce Spada alla Griglia con salsa di Salmoriglio, which is grilled swordfish with Salmoriglio sauce. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need: swordfish, olive oil, parsley, oregano, black pepper, capers, lemon juice, garlic, rind of a lemon, and anchovies. Swordfish is ready to eat. If you want, you could dress a little bit of the sauce that you saved on the side. It's have to be individual. Some people love it because it's very yummy and tasty. If not, you eat it just the way it is. And, dress it up with a couple of lemon wedges and a little parsley. And some of the lemon rind that we saved before. And voila, ready to eat.